today it's a different kind of vlog. I'm just gonna share my personal experience of the soap, and it's not sponsored of making this video. Lavish, yes, this one. This one is Pure Gentle soap called Process. Bugo shampoo, bar with aloe vera and shea butter. All natural and cold process. Also, yung spray niya na we can use for other purposes. I could share some of my thoughts of that for sa mga naghahanap din. The other one is the barley, which I haven't tried yet. Maybe pag na-try ko na, I'll probably add in my vlog.
First, we'll talk about Lavish Pure and Gentle
Let's talk
Soap.
about Pure Gentle soap. This is my personal share of how it works for me. This is my story for this soap. Ginawa ko, I'll just try it, observe it for 3 days, and observe. May na-notice lang ako sa Pure and Gentle soap. Alam mo yung pain sometimes here, minsan nagtitrigger siya, muscle pains maybe, hindi ko alam kung muscle pains, pero minsan may ganon. Napansin ko first day, parang nag-lessen slight, but not so sure about it yet. On the first day, wala pa naman talaga siya. Kumbaga, basta observation lang siya. Second day, parang nagle-lessen siya, nagka-calm yung skin ko. On the third day, parang hindi ko na napapansin masyado yung pain. But of course, yung usual exercise would be also the best and stretching. Pero added bonus na to sa akin. Kasi nagkakaroon ako madalas yung mga skin, very sensitive yung reaction sa skin. So those who are like that, baka this might help for you too. So dito, mamaya dito sa kabila, yun, inaayos ka, may pinaprepare ka, you need your hands as well, yun. Pero minsan naghahalo. After 2 days, parang hindi ako nagbaban-aid. Kasi minsan nagka-crack yan from the other soap and other. By God's grace na, thank you for preparing this. Sana yung journey mo matuloy-tuloy for this kasi nakakatulong talaga siya. Sa akin I don't know sa iba kasi bago lang to. Sharing it lang sa mga maybe having the same and then want to try it. Kaya ilalagay ko yung details sa description box below. Observe nga yung 3 days. Parang hindi kailangan ng whole body para sa akin. Pag needed lang, I would put it on the whole body. San I just use it here lang kung mga kurot-kurot dyan sa pain. San sa skin, irritations. Kasi one time talaga sabi ko, try ko nga ulit i-order kasi nag-crack yung skin ko sa sa finger. Nagulat talaga ako. Sabi ko, ano ito? Lagot na, ganon. Yun lang, akin nag-work.
I also use this for skin irritations. Don't itch from insect bite. Then I apply Power Rub. And for skin moisture, I use this. Then I apply Aveeno lotion. Watch part 2 video.
Shampoo bar.